In this question we need to create a pivot table. So we can go and insert the pivot table, check that it's the correct area. I'm going to put it into a new worksheet. Just make it a bit bigger. So what we now need is we want a graphic overview of the average resolution time in hours of calls. So I now need hours to pull them to values. It's going for sum. I need to change that to average. The next thing we want to do is do it per year, month, and day of the week. So I'm going to take the reported date, put it into rows. In this version of Excel, it automatically does it. But in other versions, I'm just going to ungroup it. It'll look like that. So I must right click and say group. I'm going to choose months and years. When I say OK, we get this. It also says day of the week. So I'm going to take day of the week, put it into columns. So now you can see by year, month, day of the week. Just to make it a little bit neater, I'm going to right click, value field settings, number format, and we'll just make it a number with no decimals. Okay. We want to see it so that the highest or the worst numbers are in red and the better numbers are in green, so that involves conditional formatting. So I'm going to click anywhere here, go to home, conditional formatting. Because this is a pivot, we need to go to new rule, and we need to tell it that we want it to all cells showing average of hours, reported date, and day of the week. We're going to choose a 3-color scale where the lowest value, so you'll see the lowest value here is currently red, highest value is green. We need to change that because the lowest value is good and the highest value is bad. Okay, so when I say OK, so you'll see that changes now. And the last part is we want to be able to view this report for individual companies. So we've got a vendor name here. I'm going to click, drag it into the filters, and now what we've got is the report. But I now can click on the different company names and see what the report looks like, or go back to all.